Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Unong yalam jong keseng Kongres Dr. Mukul Sangma ulakam bagi Paitba Geshela constituency kinjiet ya ukurtong bala penyeng daka party Kongres uba Bateng Shine renga uban sa aireng haga election siteng samoi kaban salong Geshela constituency haga arfui terik benai risau arjar khat kendai. Dr. Mukul Sangma haga jeng ekran baka Batisi TV ulakam baka Geshela constituency kamdei setia ka ketem baklan jong keseng UDP bat kumba kalong menta ka Kongres kalanang yok bor shushu namar bahagi snem bakala bat ya ulakam sensyar haga jela kalala ban le bun ki kampen roy.
One thing is that all the candidates are new. Therefore, the people of Geshela constituency have a privilege to elect a new MLA now, irrespective of which political party's candidate they choose. Okay, that is something which is before the elections now. But one thing is very sure, is that having seen the lack of performance of the government in the preceding this 2018 and this part of 2019, it's almost now it is second year. Rather than talking about new initiatives, you see complete standstill of the whole developmental initiative that has taken place. You can see, many of the infrastructures which were coming up very fast have suddenly stopped. We tried to know why it has stopped, why they have stopped across the state, not only in one part. Contractors have decided to stop the work because they are not being paid. Even the schemes which are centrally sponsored, they have not been able to submit UC. So unless this government is capable of submitting utilization certificate against the money which has been released by Government of India, how are they going to receive money? Now they are on rhetoric. What can Congress do? They are in opposition and they are saying we will do this. Are Baba, when all the development initiatives are completely in standstill, when they have not been able to show any new initiative, what developmental programs are they talking about? This government is the most incompetent government, led by an incompetent chief minister. I heard people saying that, we have today a Facebook chief minister. That is what is the narrative. It's not my version, it's the version of the common man. I was told that now common men are referring to him as a Facebook chief minister. So, an incompetent government, today the state is in such a situation. Every citizen who is concerned for the future of the state have to take this very, very seriously. At the end of the day, we are all stakeholders of this state. I will not have the same analysis as you have, because even if you look at the preceding elections, it was only because the voters who voted against the then incumbent MLA, they were divided. It's not that he had a share of more than 50%. So you can't say that that particular constituency is a stronghold of regional party. It is not. It is not a stronghold of any political party for that matter. So, frankly speaking, the people who have the reason to go against the incumbent political party, they are more. It's an opportunity for the electorates of the constituency, as I have said, to make a new beginning. And when we talk about making a new beginning in our given political system, it's not for a day, it's not for a year. It is usually keeping in mind what we can do together collectively for the larger good of the people in the years to come. So this bond of relationship that we are endeavoring to build with the people of the particular constituency is not for this election alone. It is with an intention that, given the chance, and which we hope so, that people will give us chance, they will elect our candidate, we will take care of this constituency collectively, not just the only candidate who, after getting elected, will be looking after. It will be a collective response. It will be a collective endeavor as a party, as a team. And that is what we are promising. And I'm sure people are responding to it. I had interaction with lots of people. I think they believe us, they trust us. Because we again have a brand. You know what is that brand? Our brand is that what we promise, we deliver.